Rungu rwa mubango uria urugamirirwo ni ruhonge rwa kimabũrũri rwa kugitira maria maturigicĩirie UNDP, afitha munene wa KNCHR Dagitari Bernard Mogesa augite ruhonge ruru ni rwambikite mubango wa guthomithia maabitha a kurira mititu guku bũrũri-inĩ KFS bata wa gutabania mihang'o ya kuheria andu migunda-ini ya mititu matakwagarara ihoto cia muingi.
The essence of this is to mainstream the application of human rights principles and standards into the conservation and management of the forest resources in Kenya. And as a commission, we aim to support the KFS towards the attainment of the 10% of the forest cover.
Mogesa haugite ciiko cia kuhuthira hinya mukiru hindi ya kwamurithia muingi uria ukoragwo wigwatiri ithaka mugaru na watho kaingi ucungagiriria guthuka kwa mititu na makiria. Uguo hari bata wa guthomithia maabitha a KFS rondu umwe na muingi njira ingi cia guthama.
Our anticipation is that there will be more community participation in the forest management, and where evictions have to take place, then the communities would have prior information on what the evictions are all about and what they need to do in terms of preparations, and of course citing the various sources of law that KFS would use to evict people from the forests.
Murugamiriri munene wa kugitira ithaka haugite kamiti ya mwanya ni rikitie kumbwo niguo itithiriria hari gukinyaniria muoroto wa mubango uyu.
This tool that has been in the process of being developed looks at how the personnel who are currently working now and those who come can be given a stronger basis and in order to address human rights perspective. As part of this process, the Kenya Forest Service constituted a technical team that has been working with the Kenya National Commission on Human Rights to develop a training program that will be used to train KFS staff, communities and other stakeholders on this approach that is going to infuse human rights.
Mwinini wake afitha munene wa kurira ithaka ni areganite na miario ya ruhonge rwa kugitira ihoto cia muingi akiuga mihang'o ino itabanagio kurumira mitaratara iria migathike ni watho. Ngiribotera Inooro TV, njitagwo Julius Kareithi wa Munene.